Hi guys, today I have this unit from Sensational Bare Lace Unit, and this is unit 3. So this is the packaging, you all. I'll go in and just show you all the details of the unit. This is the stock card, and as you can see here, they have different colors, so you can choose which color unit you would like, guys. And as always, the unit has a comb at the back, an adjustable strap, and an additional adjustable elastic band, and 2 combs in the front. And this is a 13 by 6 lace front unit, you all. And the color is SH light brown, ash brown, light ash brown. So I'll go in and put the unit on so you can see how it is looking straight from the pack. This is a synthetic unit, so you don't have to do much to this unit, guys, and this is the perfect unit for you to practice cutting the lace and laying the lace. So when you have those expensive units, you're not afraid of going in and customize it, guys. Look at the hairline. It looks so natural, you all. I'll turn around so you can see the back of the wig.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason
I like to go in and just pull all the hair to the back before I go in and remove the lace. This is just optional, you all. I like to go in and remove the adjustable lace from the unit before laying it down.
helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive.
I like cutting my lace in 3 so it's easier for me to lay, guys, and I'll be using the Got2b glue and the Got2b gel to lay this wig.
1,000 walls to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, in her eyes take me.
I'll go in with the blow dryer on low heat to make sure the lace is well laid, you all.
Daisy, no empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles.
Now it's time to go in and remove the lace, guys.
Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful.
I am going in with the melting spray to make sure the lace is well laid, you all.
For her love, oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms, because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 walls to collapse there in her arms. There, to the sun and back. In 1,000 ways. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good.
Here you have the final look, guys, and I am in love with this synthetic unit. The hairline looks really, realistic. It looks really natural. It came pre-plucked. I didn't do nothing to the hairline. So that's a plus, and I really like the feel of the hair. It doesn't even feel like a synthetic wig, you all. You know, normally a synthetic wig would look shiny, but this one looks perfect. Again, the name of the unit is Sensational Bare Lace 13 by 6 Unit 3. This is a big head friendly wig, so you don't need to worry if it's gonna fit your head, guys. It has adjustable lace, it has adjustable strap at the back, and an additional elastic band so you can adjust it to your own liking, okay? Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.
With one of her smiles, she is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored.